You'll go there? You are reading? Are these questions or statements? The tone of the speaker suggests that questions are being asked, but grammatically they are statements. How confusing. Hello, this is Shivani. Welcome to my channel. Yes, you've guessed it right. Today's topic is how to make questions or interrogative sentences. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to remain connected. You'll get the notifications as soon as I post my new videos. And don't go away. Watch this video till the end. Thank you. Now let's get to the topic. How to make questions. Rule number 1. By using question words. There are 9 WH words, also known as question words. Out of these 9 words, 8 words start with the letters W and H. And the 9th one has the letters W and H in it. For instance, who, whom, what, which, whose, when, where, why, and the 9th one is how. Right? So these are those 9 words. We can use these words and form questions. Out of these 9 words, 5 are interrogative pronouns. I won't get into the details in this video. Just for your information, there are 5 interrogative pronouns. For instance, what, who, whom, whose, which. What, who, whom, whose, which. And the rest are adverbs. We'll deal with this in my subsequent videos. I'll tell you about these words in detail. Today, let's keep it simple. So let me take the first word, what. You must have made innumerable questions using this word. For example, what's your name? The most common one. Many people might have asked you also. What's your name? What's is the contraction of what is. What is your name? While speaking, we use contraction. What's your name? What's your hobby? What's your hobby? The next one is who. Who is shouting? Who's shouting so loudly? Who's shouting so loudly? Or who is shouting so loudly? Who is your best friend? Who's your best friend? The next one is whom. Whom do you want? Whom do you want? Whom did she invite to the party? Whom did she invite to her party? While speaking, we sometimes use who instead of whom. Who do you want? Who did she invite to her party last night? Now this is also correct. The next is where. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where are you going? Where are you going? The next is why. Why was she crying? Why was she crying? Why did he go there? Why did he go there? The next is whose. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Whose book is that? Whose book is that? Next is when. When did you last meet her? When did you last meet her? When is he going to come? When is he going to come? The last word is how. How are you? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? How old is your grandfather? How old is your grandfather? Now these were the question words that help you to make questions or interrogative sentences. Questions are also known as interrogative sentences. Now these were quite easy, weren't they? Now let's look at their structure. You must have noticed they follow the same pattern. They start with a question word followed by an auxiliary or a helping verb, which is followed by the subject, and then comes the main verb. I'll repeat. They start with a question word followed by a helping verb or an auxiliary, which is followed by the subject, then comes the main verb. Let's look at some examples. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where is the question word. Do is the auxiliary or the helping verb. You is the subject. Live is the main verb. Where is the question word. Do is the helping verb. You is the subject and live is the main verb. Let's take one more example. What was she doing in the morning? What is the question word. Was is the helping verb. She is the subject. Doing is the main verb. What is the question word. Was is the helping verb. She is the subject and doing is the main verb. I think it's clear now. Now one more thing that we have to remember is that these type of questions which start with a question word are known as open questions. They are known as open questions. Open questions are those which cannot be answered in yes or no. They can't be answered in yes or no. To answer them, you have to explain or describe something. For example, where do you live? You can't say yes or no. You have to tell the place where you live, right? If somebody asks you, how old are you? You can't say yes or no. You'll have to say your age. You'll have to tell your age. You'll have to say what your age is. So these types of questions are known as open questions. Closed questions are those which can be answered in yes or no. For example, do you like ice cream? You can say, yes, I do. Or you can say, no, I don't. Right? Have you finished your project? You can say, yes, I have. Or you can say, no, I haven't. Right? For today, I think this much is sufficient. The next rule we are going to do in the next video. Keep practicing, keep reading to improve your English. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Till then, bye.